Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace spark plugs on Lexus RX 350 only way. Begin by parking on level ground, setting the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Wear gloves and eye protection and let the engine cool fully. Gather a torque wrench, spark plug socket, extension, ratchet, and anti-seize compound. Keep replacement plugs and a gap gauge ready before removing ignition coils and plugs systematically. Start by labeling coil connectors to avoid mixing them up later, then remove ignition coils carefully. Use a proper spark plug socket with an extension and ratchet, and turn plugs counterclockwise with steady, controlled force. Clean the plug wells and inspect the old plugs for oil, carbon, or electrode, where that could indicate other issues. Keep parts organized and work one cylinder at a time to prevent cross-threading or lost components. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab some leak-proof meal prep containers to keep bolts, clips, and small parts separated and spill-free while you work. They stack well in a toolbox and make reassembly faster and cleaner. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Verify the new spark plugs have the correct gap and thread condition, and apply a small amount of anti-seize if recommended. Start each plug by hand to ensure threads engage properly, then torque to the manufacturer torque spec using a torque wrench for consistent sealing. Reinstall ignition coils and secure all connectors, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and start the engine to confirm smooth idle and proper operation before taking the vehicle for a short test drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.